What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another vlog. It is Vlogmas day 13. Yeah, today I am I don't even know what I was about to say. I am currently doing a little bit of work on my computer. As y'all saw, I got up, cleaned up a little bit, took my vitamins, was drinking my kombucha and my water. Like, little disclaimer, we just gonna get into it right quick. If you have problems like pooping or like with your digestion, drink you some kombucha, because I promise you, at least 30 minutes to an hour after you drink it, especially if you drink it and then follow it with some water, you're gonna be on that toilet, baby. You're gonna be on that toilet, okay? So yeah, that's just for my slow digestion girls. My stomach problem girlies, because we all know all bad bitches got stomach problems, for real. But yeah, y'all just heard my oven beep because I'm about to make me some breakfast. I'm about to make this bread, right? I bought this Italian loaf bread from Aldi's yesterday. It's just literally like a loaf of Italian bread. The point is that you are supposed to bake it. So I'm about to put it in the oven for about 10 minutes. Hopefully it gets really crispy on the outside. On the package, it says, as a pro tip, wet the outsides of your hands and just touch the outside of the bread. Apparently that makes the crust crispy. I don't know. I'm about to put it in there though, because I'm about to make me some homemade avocado toast. Period. Dunkin', who I was spending way too much money at the beginning of these vlogs, going there every day. Y'all already know.
Mobile order for Katie.
I'm about to go get me some coffee.
Small French vanilla iced latte. Can I 3 pumps of French vanilla sweetener?
No, I'm good, thank you.
So I got me some avocados. I got me some seasoning. Let me show y'all the seasoning. I'm about to put this in the oven now. But as y'all know, on Dunkin' avocado toast, or really on most avocado toast, people just put the everything bagel seasoning. So I did pick that up, but when I was grabbing this, I also saw this, which is Alessi avocado toast seasoning. I've never heard of this in my life, but I'm so glad I got it because it smells, it's very strong. But it smells really, really, really good. And it just looks like some pepper, salt, garlic, like, I don't know. Yeah, it just says sea salt, garlic, black pepper, red pepper, and some lime, maybe. But I don't know. Maybe I'll mix the both of them. Who knows? And I also have some bacon that I'm going to make and crumble apart. Put that on the top. And yeah, and I also got me some iced coffee. Like, I'm tired of spending money. I'm tired of spending extra money. I need to really get my life together and start to keep like saving and building. Like, every time I get a nice amount, I just start spending money on stupid shit. And I need to be saving my money for things that matter, because I have a lot of things coming. Please don't mind my baby hair. I know my head probably looks crazy. I put my bread in there. I was just editing a little bit. I'm actually about to keep editing for the Vlogmas video I'm gonna post today. I'm gonna eat, and then after that, all I really have to do is to film some content. I was really supposed to do it yesterday, but I didn't get around to it. I'm just gonna film some content for a TikTok shop brand, Quinson or Qinson, I have no idea. But it's like the really, really snatch you up good bodysuits. So I am gonna film those. I have 2 outfits, 2 bodysuits, and a jacket that I'm gonna wear. And then I'm supposed to go a little bit later to happy hour with my friend Logan. So I'll be seeing her later, and y'all will be seeing that as well. So I don't know what else I'm gonna do in between there, but I'm really kind of just chilling in the house and trying to get this work done. Okay, y'all, so I just finished the bread. The bread looks great, y'all. Like, it is really giving Italiano. It's really, wait, was that the Italian accent? I don't know. But the bread looks so freaking good, you guys. And that's my bacon that y'all hear pop. Snap, crackle, and popping. How beautiful. The sound, that's what I like to hear, Bookie. So I'm about to cut my bread into some slices. Wait on my bacon to cook, because I'm gonna crush that up, make my avocado. y'all are gonna see. I'm actually kind of debating if I want to put an egg on there. Egg, a little extra protein. Why not? I think I should, because I don't really have no protein like with the rest of this meal. So I think I'm about to fry me a little egg in that bacon grease. And then, yeah, we're gonna get it together. So let's go.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Come up in your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't built like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. Now we mad because you let me low. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic.
Okay, y'all, I just finished cooking. So we gonna do, I don't like how this light look. We gonna do a little taste test once I get my light up here. Okay, y'all, it looks so good. So we're gonna just do a taste test. I'm scared I'm actually not even gonna be able to eat all of this, but it looks real good, real delectable. I might fuck around, never go to Dunkin' again, you know? Never know. So let's see. Literally tastes just like my Dunkin'. Literally tastes just like my order from Dunkin'. It's literally just avocado, everything bagel seasoning, some salt, some pepper. I put a little lemon juice on mine. Just because that's what I like. That's my business. That's not what you like, that's not what you like. But that shit is fire. And with the bacon on top. Now, the avocado toast is fire. The coffee needs some work. And I don't know if it's, I mean, it's not expired because I checked it, the syrup. But I don't know, something don't taste right. And I used to make my coffee all the time at home. And so something's definitely off. I don't know what it is. Like, it's not nasty, but something's not right. But I'm about to keep eating this avocado toast. I'm editing my video for today that I'm gonna post today. And then after that, that's when I'm gonna do my makeup, my hair, and get ready. Because happy hour is usually like around, I don't know. What time is happy hour? The one I'm going to. Their happy hour is 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. So I'm gonna try to get there around 4 or 5. Hopefully this vlog don't take too long to edit. But I'm about to try that right now. So yeah, you guys, let's get to work.
You still give me head if I had patience. I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. My shit off when you tie me off, you know I be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me.
Just cause I haunt you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes, high hopes.
I'm back. I'm doing pretty good with time. It's 3:30. I want to leave the house by like 4:15, 4:30, so that's cool. I'm about to do my makeup really quick. I am about to let my camera charge because when I film these outfit videos, I'm going to film it on my camera versus my phone just for a little bit better quality. I'm about to let my camera charge while doing makeup and my hair. If you all want to know how I've been doing my makeup lately, go check out Vlogmas Day 7, which is like my natural little beat that I've been doing the last couple days. And yeah, I already edited. I finished editing for Vlogmas Day 12. That is posted today at 5 o'clock. So if you're watching this video, which is 13, that means you should have already watched 12. And if you didn't watch 12, what you doing here? I will see y'all once I'm done getting dressed and all that, because I want to show y'all the outfits that they sent me, because I just got a feeling they're gonna be really cute. Well, I mean, I've seen them a million times all on TikTok, but yeah. Hey y'all, so I'm back. My makeup is done. I'm really like damn near running out the door, but I had to switch my socks. I just wanted to show y'all this bodysuit real quick. So this is the bodysuit that I got from this brand on TikTok, Quinson. I'm not sure how to say it, but this is the real cute bodysuit that everybody has been going crazy for. It's the one that like snatches you up. Fits really, really well. I have this one with the, sorry, my titties popping out. The girls is going crazy. Okay. I have the one with the sleeves on right now. I also do have one sleeveless one in like a navy blue type of color. And then this is the jacket that they also sent me. It's really, really soft. It's really soft. It's really warm. And I love it. I would definitely try to have them send me some more in all different colors. These are cute, like quick little throw on type of outfits. And I love me a throw on type of outfit, okay? So here we go. I'm just wearing my little black Ugg slippers. And yeah, that's it. We finna go. Walking in to the Nick, which is where we're going for, or we came for happy hour, y'all. It's 10 minutes of fucking happy hour left, but that's okay because I could order 2 lemon drops in 10 minutes. That's not a problem. That is not a problem. I'm actually looking for a friend. I don't know where she's at. Oh, right there. Yeah, I see her. Thank you. Oh shit! Thank God. Hey y'all. Okay. Yeah, lemon drop was waiting on me. You know. Yeah. Y'all, the lemon drops is getting to me already. I just had to come to the bathroom after pee so bad. Oh my goodness. And then the fact that this is an all gender bathroom, I don't like it here. Oh my God, I have on a one piece. I just forgot. Lord, I have to pee so bad. Getting naked in a public restroom because you decided to wear a bodysuit to happy hour is crazy. Oh my God, it's so cold outside. It's so dark in here, so I will see you all a little later, okay? Hey y'all, what's up? I'm back home. I'm chilling. I went in Target, but I forgot my camera in the car. I'm not gonna lie, it was too cold to go back outside. I just got Ray's pickup order. He ordered some dish detergent, some pods or whatever. And you know, I just went in there just to go in there. Why not? But no, I went to get another margarita. Give me one margarita. These are like my favorite, y'all. I just cannot stop drinking them. You so irritating. Stop. He always watching my Instagram story while I'm sitting right next to him, and he know that gives me the cringe. You don't do that. The cringe. Your head look a mess.
What's yours look like?
Good. The fuck. Get you a Stanley, because that water is ice cold. So it's literally still ice in it. I poured that water hours ago. That's the water from this morning. I never re-put no... Bro, I never put no new water in there. That's insane. Get y'all a Stanley. I will see y'all tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 14. Yeah.
We almost like halfway through the month. But I'm stopping at Christmas. But yeah, we in there.